Hi, I'm Tom O'Sullivan, and I'm the international sales rep for High Speed Gear out of Swansboro, North Carolina. And we also have the brand CompTac Victory Gear, which makes Kydex holsters.
Welcome to another interview and product presentation from SHOT Show 2020. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and click that bell icon for newest videos. Links to all products can be found in the description box below, and as always, we have great offers at the end of this video that you don't want to miss. Let's get right into it, but first, roll that intro.
Today I'm going to talk to you about our new Reflex IFAK system. This product was designed to hold the standard U.S. Army individual first aid kit, and it comes in all the colors and camouflage patterns that we offer at High Speed Gear. I'll take you through the product and show you all the features, and I'll start on the back side. What we did on the design here was we made it so that you can wear it belt mounted either horizontally or vertically using the two tunnels on the back side. And depending on which way you mount it on your belt, you can also put trauma shears through those tunnels on the back side of the IFAK pouch. The third mounting option is to use our High Speed Gear clips using this micro MOLLE system, and you can use that to either belt mount or MOLLE mount this pouch. The micro MOLLE system allows a much closer refinement of belt width so that the pouch stays stable on your belt. When you come back through the very bottom piece of MOLLE and then clip it in the front, that'll hold the pouch stable on your belt. On the bottom of the pouch, just like all of our taco pouches, we use shock cord so that you can make the inner product as tight or as loose as you want. On the top side of the pouch, we put a MOLLE panel where you can either mount or bungee any type of tourniquet. Some people prefer the pouch, some people prefer to just bungee the tourniquet on there, but most people carry multiple tourniquets and just want to leave that slick or put some other product on the top. On the front side of the pouch, we have a landing pad so that you can put blood type or medical identification patches on it, and that comes with it. The elastic tunnels here are for marking pens, for marking casualties, chem lights, anything that you want to mount on the outside. You can see the carry handles are designed to both pull the inner contents out or hang that on an IV pole, inside of a vehicle, anywhere you want to mount it while you're treating a casualty. The other feature on the outside of the pouch is we included a tunnel on each side so that you can access nitrile gloves without removing the entire contents of the pouch. When you pull the inner contents out, you'll see it's a two-part system. This is the part that mounts on your vest or on your belt. This is the part that inserts into that, or you can buy this separately and have this inside of your pack or inside of your vehicle or wherever you carry your medical equipment. It has a third handle on the top so that you can carry this separately. You remove the shock cord, open it up, and you have essentially two compartments. You have a compartment where you want your immediately accessible products, combat gauze or quick clot, and then you have a more secure side where you can put things like chest seals, items that you might not need immediate access to. Again, this comes in three different ways. You can buy it. You can buy the inner contents, you can buy the tunnel, or you can buy a combination of the two as a kit.
If you liked this video in general, or at least thought it was entertaining and informative, please consider giving us the thumbs up. And for the deal of this video, we give you 20% off your Reflex IFAK order. That is for the first 500 orders, but no longer than 7 days after this video was published, so hurry up. You find the IFAK and much more at TacNGear.com.